During a handover event at Tesla's factory in Fremont, California, Elon Musk showed a video that displayed side-by-side videos of a Model 3 and a Volvo S60 undergoing the same crash test. The test is a side impact crash test that simulates a car colliding sideways into a pole at 20 miles per hour. This impact would typically cause major damage to the driver's side door and a portion of the roof. The video comparison showed that the Volvo S60, which have a 5-star safety rating in all categories, was damaged more severely than the Tesla Model 3. After the video was shown, Elon Musk said the following.
So there are a lot of cars that say they are 5-star, and they are sort of 5-star. That's not a scientific metric, but even though they are something like the Volvo, great car, by normal standards, very safe. The Volvo is arguably the second safest car in the world. But I think it is obvious which car you would prefer to be in an accident.
Is it true that Tesla Model 3 are the safest car in the world? In this video we will compare the numbers from these two crashes. First, let's look at the forces applied on the head of the dummy in the driver's position. The accelerometers are logging the forces in X, Y and Z direction. In X direction, the maximum negative g-force on the Tesla is -63.2, and on the Volvo it is -9.78. In X direction, the maximum positive g-force on the Tesla is 4.1, and on the Volvo it is 2.82. In Y direction, the most important measurement in this load case, the maximum negative g-force on the Tesla is -9.8, and on the Volvo it is -7.5. In Y direction, the maximum positive g-force on the Tesla is 65.4, and on the Volvo it is 49.09. In Z direction, the maximum negative g-force on the Tesla is -13.5, and on the Volvo it is -7.8. In Z direction, the maximum positive g-force on the Tesla is 35.7, and on the Volvo it is 26.31. If we should draw any conclusions from the forces on the head, you are better off in the Volvo compared to the Tesla. The rigid floor and battery construction on the Tesla results in less intrusion, but the forces on the driver's head are higher due to the stiffness. If we look at the measurements of the forces applied to the lower spine, once again Volvo performs better than the Tesla. In the most important measurement Y direction, Volvo once again outperforms Tesla. The stiffer floor of the Tesla results in higher readings on the lower spine, just the same way as it affected the head. The oblique pole test simulates an accident in which a car collides with a fixed object such as a tree or pole, at an oblique angle. In this test, the vehicle is crashed at 32 km/h into a fixed metal pole which is aligned with the driver's head. The pole is relatively narrow, resulting in major penetration into the side of the car. However, only 15% of serious crashes are intrusive side impacts according to the Australasia New Car Assessment Program. Curtain airbags are particularly effective in reducing the chance of serious head injury in this type of crash. How relevant a side impact pole test are to the overall safety of a car is debatable. Showing a video of this test to an audience and claiming that Tesla Model 3 is the world's safest car is questionable.